Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can fix the contacts not showing issue on WhatsApp on your Android. So let us get started and try to fix this, guys. So there are several approaches. The first option would be to simply check if WhatsApp has the permission to access your phone's or device's contact list. To do that, close the WhatsApp application on your device and head over to Settings, tap into Apps and Notifications, tap into WhatsApp here. After that, select Permissions. And what you want to do is make sure that in that list the contacts are enabled or toggled on. If that's not the case, guys, make sure that you toggle it on here to the right. That's the first way. The second option, guys, or approach would be to check if your WhatsApp contacts feature their correct phone number. To do that, close your phone settings and access your contact list by tapping on that icon here. And after that, tap into your contacts and check if you can see the correct phone number listed here under voice call with the WhatsApp icon to the left. That's the second approach. If it hasn't fixed the issue either, guys, you may also restart WhatsApp. You may do that by heading over to your phone settings again or device settings. After that, tap into apps and notifications, tap into WhatsApp. And what you want to do after that is tap on force stop here, confirm by tapping on OK. After that, tap into storage and clear the cache by tapping on clear cache here. Restart your device to apply and to save these changes. And if that hasn't fixed the issue either, guys, there's also option number 4, and that would be to simply uninstall WhatsApp and to download and install it again on your device. So to do that, guys, tap on uninstall here inside your WhatsApp settings on your device. However, if you do it, guys, make sure that you make a backup of your chat history first on WhatsApp. To do that, head back to WhatsApp, tap on these 3 dots here in the top right corner, select settings, tap into chats here, scroll down or swipe down till you get to the chat backup, tap into it and tap on backup here to make a backup of your chat history. For example, you may use your device's Google account, and that's basically it. After that, uninstall the WhatsApp application on your device, download it from the Google Play Store or App Store again, install it and see if that has fixed the issue, guys. And that's basically it. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.